Welcome to my channel online earning platform. Today my topic is how to earn from Facebook Marketplace and what is Facebook Marketplace. So open Facebook as shown in the video. This is alibaba.com, same as just open marketplace as shown on the top bar. This is your marketplace and there are so many items that if you want to buy you can buy it. Now this is shown marketplace of Facebook. There are so many local items are present. From here you can buy item or sell. There is the option marketplace, then there is the option sell. Click on the sell button. Now you have to select items or it is vehicles or property for sale or rent. It depends on you which type of your product is. If you have vehicle, then click on the vehicle. If you have items, then click on the items. Now this screen will open. From here you have to add photo, add title, and add price, and then add category of your item depend on your product, add location, and then give the description, add text and availability, list and single item, list as in stock. Then complete this form as shown in the video. After completing form, just click on the next button, then it will be your ad on the Facebook Marketplace, and you can sell your product there, and people who want to buy from you will contact you, and you will get money from that. So this is the complete process to earn from Facebook Marketplace. So if you like my video, then comment me, share my video and subscribe my channel.